In today's video, I'll show you how to create a very unique and dynamic subcategory section by using Metaobjects and Metafields and custom category section. This video may be confusing because it is confusing, but once you observe this video technique carefully, I am sure you will be able to create your own features and function using Metaobjects and Metafields to make your store more relevant to browsing visitors and enhance their purchasing journey. So without further delay, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for similar useful content for your e-commerce business. Hello guys, I am Gaurav and you are watching Outbox Ads. After watching this video, you will be able to understand how to use meta objects, different data types and integration of meta fields, how to create a subcategory section, build your own features and functions by using same methods. Let's start the process. Step 1. With just a brief explanation, Metaobjects is similar to our product input fields like product title, description, images and our pages, etc. With Metaobjects, we can create our own required similar fields. Okay, let's see how we can make a Metaobjects. First, you need to come on your dashboard, click on setting button, scroll down, click on custom data button. Here is your custom data, previously known as meta fields, but now is renamed to custom data. Here is your meta fields and below that you will find your meta objects. Okay, for creating meta objects, click on add definition, and here we need to give a name just like examples. We will give this meta object name subcategories because we are creating subcategories function. Here we give a simple name subcategories so you will understand easily. And here you can see here is a field section and you need to choose fields one by one. Let's see, create on add fields, and first you have to choose single line text, and here you need to give that field name. I am giving here subcategory name. You can give description as well so you will understand better. I'll give just name, and rest of the thing keep remain same, that one value, and please click on add. Okay, as you can see, our one field is already created. For next field, click on add field and select your data type is files. If this option is not visible here, you can search it below like this, reference file, and you can name it subcategory image. You can write description and keep it like this one file, and uncheck the video option and click on add button, and here our second field is created. Let's create our third field. For third field we need a URL field, so search for URL. Here it is, and you can name it, and you can write description here. Keep it one value and add on, click on add button, and here you can see we have a 3 required fields in meta objects. I'll rearrange it and later I will tell you why I rearrange it. Click on save button. So here your meta object is created. Click on back button and you can see here your meta objects with the 3 fields you have already created. Now for the second step is most important step. Please watch this step carefully because we are going to create a metafield, unique metafield you can say, because we are developing a subcategory section in collection page. So we are going to make metafields in collection page. In this video I'll show you how to create and manage metafields on collection pages. So click on collections click on add definitions, and here you can name it, right? And here you can write a description as well. I'll just write, here I write the description as well, so it will be a useful later, and I will show you where this description is showing. And then click on select type, and you need to select here very unique data type, that is meta object. Here it is meta objects. Click on meta objects, and here reference, please watch carefully. You need to select your meta objects you are created earlier, like subcategory we are made earlier. And you need to keep one thing in mind, here you need to select list of entries, not one entries, list of entries. Please click on check on storefront option and save it. And here you can see your subcategory Metafields is created by content type of meta object. Now let's move on to our step number 3, in which we are inputting our data to our meta objects. Let's see how we can do it. Click on content button, content tab you can say, and here you can see meta objects. For creating new entries for our meta objects subcategory, you need to click on add entry, and you will see here subcategory. Subcategory is meta object we created earlier. On click on it, and you will see a page like similar our product page and our normal page we create, where we input our title, description and all that. This page is similar to that, and this is the meta object where you create your custom field. Now before inputting your data, you need a subcategory plan, like you can see on your screen, because it helps you to manage your data in a meaningful way and help you to visualize. So I hope this thing is clear for you. So please create your map. So I already created a map. So first we have here a subcategory image. Click select image, and here you can see some of images I already uploaded for subcategory section. You can use 400 pixel to 600 pixel is enough. And please don't mind your renaming your images, because later you will thank me to invest your time in renaming your images. It will help you to organize your store in a better way. Okay, for our first subcategories like woven glasses, I'll just select this image and click the done button, and here you can see this image is selected. And for subcategory URL, you need to create your URL list like this, so you can copy and paste in the same time. This is a demo collection URL I have, so you just need to input your own actual URL. I just keep this URL, and here you need to add your subcategory title, just like this is a glass, so I'll just add. You can name it whatever you want. So here is one meta object entry is completed, and here you need to click save button. Make sure its status is active. So let's create our second entry. Here you can see first in subcategory our entry is created. Let's create another entry. So similarly you need to add entry and select image, just like this. Click on done button. Here you need to paste URL. I just paste this similar URL, and a category title like this is jacket, so I'll just simply type jackets and click on save button. Here is our second entry is created. So I'll just created all my entries, all 6 entries in fast forwarding, you can see on your screen. Okay guys, here you can see we already make like 6 sub categories that we want to display in our main women collection. Okay, and now I just create a subcategories for men also, so that I will describe you in a better way and you will understand in a better way. And the process is same. So click on add entry button, and here we select image. This time we select images for a men subcategory. So first I just uploaded these subcategories images to save our time. So here we select like this. First our subcategory like men t-shirt, and here you can input your URL I just told you earlier, like this, paste, and here you can name it, and here you can see t-shirt. Okay, let me complete all these men subcategories in fast forward. Okay guys, here you can see we have created our subcategories, 6 for women and 6 for men. Now let's see how you can integrate it with the Metafield. Okay, so for that you need to go your products and your collection, and here you need to select the desired collections in which you want to show your subcategories. Like in our case, our main category is women. Here I can show you, like our main category is women, and in this category I need to show subcategories, but right now here is nothing showing. So let's see how we can integrate it. So let's choose women fashion category. This is the demo category, you can choose according to your needs. And here you need to come at the bottom, and here you can see our Metafield is listed here. So here you need to click, and you will see that description we will give like Metaobject entries for subcategories, and here is the name of our Metafields. So here you need to select your entries. So first click on that and select entries, and here you can see our entries we will make earlier on our step 3, and here you need to select your entries. Like we just started with glasses, and in similar order we will add these entries. So first we will add glasses, here you can see, and then jackets, and then formal dresses, jeans, accessories, heels and sandals, and click outside the box, and then click on save button. So here your entry is connected via Metafield to a collection page. Now let's move on to our 6th step and most important one. Go to your collection pages and template. For that you need to go your customizer to add the section, and go to your collection pages templates, like we go to our product pages. Okay, now you can see the default collection page is here. We need to add our custom category section, similar section that we add for showing our categories on home page. Like this, you need to add a section and scroll down, or you need to add this custom category by outbox ads. I just reposition it to top of the page. Click on save. Custom category section, if you want to add this section in your theme, I already made a video for it, you can watch after this video. Okay, as I added this section here, so usually this section is working like this. Here you need to add blocks as you required, like this, and for each block you need to go inside and select your images. For example, I select this image and URL like women fashion, and you need to give your category name like this. And here you can see our one subcategory is added. The problem is when we move to another collection page, same subcategory is showing, which is not a dynamic method. Like this is the all product categories, and when we change to another categories like women fashion, it's showing the same, which is correct, but not for the men collection like this. When we go to men's styles, it's showing the same subcategory, which is not dynamic. And I told you I'll show you the dynamic way, so it will change automatically when according to our collection pages. So I'll just delete it. I'll just show it for you example, so how it works. Okay, we need only one section block, and here is the magic happen. I strongly believe you will see this method only in this video. So if you are enjoying learning new things to make your Shopify store game up, please like the video and subscribe the channel for similar useful content. So the time is revealing the magic. For that you need to click on this connector button, dynamic source connect button, like this section block, not here, only top of this connector button. And here you can see that Metafields we created, and you just need to select this Metafield, and here you can see our subcategories are visible as we created on our Metaobjects. Click on save. Okay guys, I hope you are very happy to watching this kind of thing. And I was to subcategories showing on women's fashion collection page. Now let's see what happened on men's collection, because we also created men's collection subcategories. Now let's see what happened. For that you need to just click back button from here, and you just need only one block here. No need to add extra block, or no need to add extra section here. For that we just need to change here our collection, like we are just watching this on women's fashion, and now we are switched to men's style. Let's see. Alright, as you can see, no subcategories are visible in men's style collection page. But why? We already created Metaobject subcategories to men's collection, and the section is perfectly active. So if you already guessed the problem, please do comment, and even if you have no idea about it, please do comment as well. It would be really enjoying and satisfying to reading all your comments, so please do comment. I will give you 10 seconds, no cheating please. Okay, I hope you already commented, and now let's see where the actual problem is. I would like to tell you short information about my services. You can contact me for your Shopify store setup and store redesign, and for your Facebook ads. Thank you. If you remembered, I just told you to display your subcategories, you need to add that entries into that particular collection page, and we just entered that entries to women fashion collection, not on men's collection. Add those subcategories to men's style as well. So here we need to again go to your products, collections, and here we already add the subcategories to the women fashion but not on men's style. So let's add that subcategories to men's style. Here you can see our Metafield is listed, and click on that, select entries, and here you can see our entries are listed here. I'll just add men's subcategories one by one, just like t-shirts, shirt, shoes, cap, sunglasses, activewear. Click save. And now I will show you how it is looking and working on actual store. Let's see. and this is our uh, actual store. This is actually demo store. So let's see. First I'll refresh this, and then we will see that women collection. And here you can see I just add, and here you can see the that link we just add for this women collection. So when I click on that, you can see here is our women subcategories are listed, just like we entered in Metaobject entries like image, title, and their URL. Right now, let's see what happened to men's style. Here is the women's style, and then we will click on men's style. And here you can see the magic is really working. You can see here the men's styles are men's subcategories are listed here. I can say that is the dynamically way to display the different subcategories on the basis of the different collection pages. Like men's, we need to display men's subcategories, and women, we need to display women's categories. And what others you can say collections where we don't want to add these categories. So let's see. We just add women's, we just add men's, and now just let's see what happened to footwears. And you can see here nothing is showing because we didn't create anything for this page. And that is the beauty of this method, because this is a ready dynamic method you can use.